Добрый день. We continue speaking about the verbs to eat and to drink in Russian, and we said that in the present tense, the exceptional verbs, all the forms have to be memorized. The verb to eat, есть, kind of conjugates as a verb from the first group, from the first conjugation for singular forms, and then it switches to the second conjugation endings in plural forms. The verb to drink, pить, has variations, has some exceptional things happening to it, like adding soft sign, and it does conjugate as a first conjugation verb, except the vowel is not ye, it's yo. So now let's look at the past tense. In the past tense, we drop t for all verbs, for both conjugations. And again, есть stands out because instead of dropping just t, it's going to drop s with it. And then for masculine verbs, we add l, that's past tense masculine. And for feminine, we add la. For neuter words, we add lo. And for plural words, all plural words, we add li. So once we dropped t and st for есть, after that, all verbs are standard here. So these two are classic, non-exceptional verbs, and then we're looking at these two. So you can see that in the past tense, it's easier to deal with these verbs because the stress will be shifting, but that's minor. The spelling and the endings will be consistent with regular endings. The last comment that I want to make here is that while we're speaking about these verbs, to eat, to drink, and your textbook will be using to love, speaking about food and drinks, all of these verbs are followed by an object in English. So we have whom or what, to love whom or what, to drink, to eat what. And when that happens in English, what happens in Russian is this. We start using accusative case, which means when your words are singular, we change a ending to letter u and ya ending to the ending u. And if we have anything else, we don't change it. So as an example, if you want to say I eat cheese, so я ем сыр. Сыр doesn't need to be changed because the ending is not a and it's not ya. If you want to say I drink water, я пью, and then вода normally ends in a, and a does need to be changed to u after this verb. This verb is the reason for the change. So воду. To love, let's say I love chicken. Я люблю. Normally we have курица with a ending, so a changes to u when it's singular in accusative case in the object position. Я люблю курицу. So please keep this in mind while you're completing exercises and working on your oral.